G'day, tubes. It is snowing quite heavily. Show you the snow. Look at that, tubes. Holy shit. Look at that. We're just getting absolutely fucking dumped on, dude. Look at that shit. Looks like we're gonna be using the blower again. Look at that shit. Oh my god, tubes. Holy shit. It's just absolutely coming down heavily, tubes. Holy shit, you can't even see the railroad tracks. Holy crap. Look at that. Figured I would share that with you a little bit. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.